Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by powering and pairing the headphones. First, charge to full. The battery meter in the Beats app shows %, so you know it's ready. Once charged, press and hold the power button 1 to 2 seconds. Watch the LED to confirm power. Then enter pairing mode and open your device's Bluetooth menu. Make sure your phone's Bluetooth is on and the Beats appear. Select them to connect. This immediate setup gets you listening fast and ensures firmware updates are available. Now refine how you control sound and connection. After pairing, test playback controls. Tap or press the control surface for play/pause and skips, use volume buttons for level changes, and toggle ANC to switch noise modes. Once paired, open the Beats app to choose EQ presets or create a custom curve. This changes tone immediately. Make sure spatial audio settings are enabled on supported devices for immersive listening. If you use multiple devices, finish by validating performance and fit. Check the Beats app for firmware updates and complete any installation. Once done, reboot the headphones to apply changes. Next, perform a fit check. Rotate and press ear cups gently until you feel a seal for bass and noise isolation, and adjust headband tension for comfort. Finally, if you encounter dropouts or pairing problems, reset the headphones by holding power and volume down for about 10 seconds, then repair. That resolves most connectivity issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.